Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Airbnb reservation to Apple Wallet. Important note, you can't add your Airbnb reservation to Apple Wallet. Airbnb actually removed the add to wallet feature. The reason is simple. They want to make sure you always see the most up-to-date reservation details. Wallet passes don't update in real time, but the Airbnb app does. What to do instead? Open the Airbnb app or go to the Airbnb website. Tap on Trips to view your reservations. Check your confirmation email. This email includes a link that takes you directly to your trip details inside the Airbnb app. Allow push notifications on your phone. Airbnb will send reminders and updates about your stay whenever you need your reservation information. Simply open the Airbnb app. This is the most reliable way to get accurate, real-time details about your trip. And that's it. Even though you can't add reservation to Apple Wallet anymore, the Airbnb app keeps everything secure and up to date. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.